giving you guys so much food for thought today. Think about it. Okay. So for example, the rotating disc, which now I'm not even going to touch. I'm not going anywhere near it. It's a museum piece now. It's a rotating disc. It has radius r, and it's forced to rotate about this axis. Okay? So we've got to define an axis rotation. There it is. I apply a force with my finger. I push it very gently. You have to push it away from the axis of rotation and perpendicular. So you must push. Torque is a push on the disc perpendicular to the radius vector, I'll say. We'll get into exactly what that little r is when we start calculating a lot of torques. Okay? But it's a push perpendicular. You can imagine what the radius vector is. It's a vector from the axis of rotation to where I'm applying the force. So if I apply a force like this, it's not going to rotate. That would be parallel to the radius axis, or the radial axis sticking out. I have to apply perpendicular. Just imagine. Imagine it going. Okay? So if one knows the formula then, we would say that torque, torque, and I try to make torque one syllable, but I did grow up in Texas, I apologize. It is only one syllable technically. But sometimes I say power. It's R, F, sine theta. Okay? R, F, sine theta, or it's sometimes written this way. R, F, perpendicular. So these are basically tricky non-vector ways to talk about a cross product. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use both of those as we go. I'll talk about what theta means, F perpendicular. Right now I just want to tell you that. I want to tell you the unit. The unit must be, what must the unit be? Newton meters. Newton meters is the unit. It has no name. It hasn't been named after anyone yet. And some of you I know, as high school physics, you're saying, wait a minute, that's a joule. That's already a joule. Maybe rotation, torque, and energy are the same thing. They're not the same thing, it's the same unit. Okay, calm down. Okay. And now you're thinking, well, but maybe deep down, like the Planck that they are, I'm going to win the Nobel Prize. You're not going to win the Nobel Prize. They're not the same thing. It's a coincidence. All we have is kilogram, meters, and seconds, and we got to make like 50 units. So some of them are going to match. Okay? So torque and joules are not the same thing.